Teen die einde van ons gesprek oor vergifnis hierdie week, lees ek graag vir ons 'n seëngebed van Jan Richardson. Sy noem vergifnis die moeilikste seëning om te ontvang en uit te deel. Mag haar woorde ons inspireer om ons vonde ernstig op te neem, maar nie toe te laat om ons lewenslang vas te hou en definieer nie. The hardest blessing. If we cannot lay aside the wound, then let us say it will not always bind us. Let us say the damage will not eternally determine our path. Let us say the line of our life will not always travel along the places we are torn. Let us say that forgiveness can take some practice, can take some patience, can take a long and struggling time. Let us say that to offer the hardest blessing, we will need the deepest grace, that to forgive the sharpest pain, we will need the fiercest love, that to release the ancient ache, we will need new strength for every day. Let us say, the wound will not be our final home, that through it runs a road, a way we would not have chosen, but on which we will finally see forgiveness, so long practiced, coming toward us, shining with a joy so well deserved.